Mahal na Pangulo, maraming salamat.
36 years po namin inantay ito para maano yung title.
Sana po marami pa kayong matulungan.
Let us build a world where justice and compassion prevail and every child's safety and dignity are upheld. Dahil sa bagong Pilipinas, inaaruga at pinoprotektahan natin ang ating mga anak. But what we can control are the things, the elements that are needed by our party members. And that is why we have had this meeting today. Para mabuo na natin ang leadership ng partido para pwede nang humarap sa leadership ng iba't ibang partido.